Hello students. Now we are going to see chapter 2 article writing and write-ups. Okay. What is an article? What is an article? An article is a piece of writing usually intended for publication in a newspaper, magazine or journal. It is written for a wide audience and thus it must attract and sustain the reader's attention. Okay, so the article, you may be reading so many articles in the newspaper, okay, in the magazines, in the journals. Okay, why do they give the articles? So that people may attract. Okay, people may attract. You may be seeing the articles of the heroines. Okay, there are great persons, great personalities who have done good things for our country or good things for the help of the poor people. Okay, they give an article about themselves. So we will see what is article and how you have to write it. An article can describe an experience, event, person or place. Okay, what you have done or where you have done, what time, which day you have done. Then present an opinion of or balance argument. Compare and contrast, provide information, offer suggestion, offer advice. Okay, this is how you have to write about it. Essential of good article: it may include amusing stories, reported speech and description. It can be formal or informal depending on the target audience. It should be written in an interesting and entertaining manner. It should give opinions and thoughts as well as facts. It is in a less formal style than a report. So format of a good article. Okay, they have given a format. An article should consist of an eye-catching title. That means the people who are reading it, they should be a eye-catching, means they should be a attractive to the title, which attracts the reader's attention and suggests the theme of the article. An introduction which clearly defines the topic to be covered. Then the main body of the 2 or 3 paragraphs. That means you have to make a paragraphs, 2 or 3 paragraphs, main body about what you are writing. Then the conclusion, a summary of the topic or the final opinion, recommendation or comment. This is how you have to write. Remember, before you begin writing, it is important to consider where is the article going to appear. Okay, so before you write, you have to think and write. Okay, so that how many people, whoever is going to see it, they may get attraction and they may involve themselves in reading the article. Who are the intended readers? A specific group or people in general. What is the aim of the article? To advise, suggest, inform, compare, contrast and describe, etc. Then here are the some examples they have given to us to study. So the first is, the world sees a comedian. Okay, so this article is about the comedian. So first article they have written about Charles Spencer Chaplin. Okay, you know the famous comedian person, Charles Chaplin. Okay, so they have written this article about the Charles Chaplin. A world see a comedian. Here is the second, the other side of life. Okay, the other side of life. And the third they have given, continue the writes up with your own ideas. No, third they have given, here is the third, there is a small paragraph, okay, which they are telling, read the following lines, imagine it is beginning of an instance you have experienced. That means you are writing. Okay, so the real article should be like this. There are altogether 1 2 3 4 5 6 paragraphs. So you must write the article like this. You can make a book or book and you can write this article in your book. Thank you.